Hello everybody, today we're at 13657 Basswood Drive in the city of Corona. This is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 3-car garage, as you could see. Single family home, just under 2,000 square feet. There are some upgrades featured inside, so let's go on in and take a look. Walking in, you do have super high ceilings in here, nice and bright. Downstairs is tile throughout with the exception of one bedroom. This is a formal living and dining space here. Really nicely done, nice and bright. Walking through, we do have a custom breakfast bar seating area overlooking the family room. A slider to the backyard and kitchen. Kitchen does feature stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, overlooking the backyard, and then flowing nicely into that family room area. Again, nice and bright. Have some under cabinet lighting there. Lots of storage. Going into the backyard, we do have some citrus growing. And then you have kind of this pergola here to offer some shade. But definitely mature trees and foliage here. Shed. Backyard does go up the hillside there. But plenty of patio space as well. Going back inside. This family room does feature a custom built-in and fireplace. Nice big windows. Really nicely done. Coat closet there. Your first bathroom here, full bath. Does feature walk-in shower. Your laundry room, washer and dryer are included. And then this is that 3-car garage. You do have some cabinets over there for some additional storage space. And then that door does lead to the side yard. This is the first bedroom and only bedroom downstairs. You do have custom closet space, mirrored doors, and then these drawers that glide out, kind of eliminating the need for a dresser, as this bedroom is a little on the smaller side, but still with these high ceilings, plenty of space, can be even used as an office. Let's head upstairs where the master bedroom and bath, and then 2 other bedrooms and hallway bath are located. This flooring that you see here is throughout the upstairs. Some hallway storage here. And then master bedroom, overlooks the backyard, nice big window. Master bath, double vanity, soaking tub, walk-in shower. You also have private toilet area, and huge, huge walk-in closet. Coming back out, the third bedroom. Again, all upstairs bedrooms overlook the backyard. The hallway bath. And fourth bedroom. Really nicely done. Again, if you're interested, 13657 Basswood in Corona, 4-bed, 3 full bath, just under 2,000 square feet. Visit us at truedoorpm.com. Thanks, guys.